Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Smoke Sessions. I'm Howard Sue. This is my sister Anita Sue. Today we're with our great friends, the Home Depot, Masterbuilt, and Kingsford Charcoal. Today we're going to show you some amazing grilling techniques that can help you master your flavor at home.
We're going to be making a Korean short rib. Today we're going to do it on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series. I love it because it sears at an even 600 degrees and it's going to maintain there. So let's get going. So we're going to start off with our veg. And then we're just going to add the rest of the wet ingredients.
So now Anita's got me working on the K-cut style short ribs. What you want to do is tenderize it.
And we're gonna just start marinating the meat together. This looks good now, so we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or if not overnight, which is even better. All right, so I just took this out of the fridge. It's been marinating for about 4 hours. We're ready to put it on the Masterbuilt. The charcoal is gonna be awesome. It's gonna add to that smoky sear. Howard's gonna help me put the rest of the side dishes onto the platter. Next, we're just gonna garnish our Korean short ribs. All right, Howard, you ready to dig in?
Absolutely.
All right.
Perfectly grilled.
What I love about this is you can see where the brown sugar is kind of caramelized because of the high heat at 600. It's like crunchy little bits of goodness. Love it. All right guys, we had so much fun cooking today. Make sure to stop by Home Depot to get your Gravity Series 1050 and your Kingsford Charcoal. We'll see you next time.